on, everybody? Cowboy Carter back at it again with another banger, man. In today's video, we have here is a gem of a video with my old SRT8 and my buddy's SRT8 also. He has a 6.4 liter, which is a newer Chrysler's. We had the first gen, which is how most of y'all subscribe to your boy. A couple of videos ago, I actually compared the differences between current gen I have, the gen that y'all are gonna see in this video. Found some videos, they're not in the best quality, we'll get to that. For some reason, I thought he was ported, guys. He was not ported, he only had a cold air intake and a straight pipe. That's a 6.4 liter, and my 6.1 liter at the time was cammed and headers. I know it had a tune, but I think it had a ported intake also. And I had the drag radials on. I did have a passenger. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some videos up of his old car, and maybe I can find one of my old car, like some cold starts, some idling, I don't know, shit y'all wanna see. If y'all wanna see more content on my old one, maybe I have a hidden gem somewhere else, I'm sure I can find it, but if you're new, go ahead and subscribe to your boy, and hopefully y'all enjoy this old footage. You can see my car is not here before we start the video. Real quick, guys, the wheels are getting fixed, and we're about to go get it right now, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to your boy, and let's go ahead and show y'all this old footage.